Today this is going to be a different kind of video. Like I said, I always check back because I'm always doing something crazy. Well, today I'm going to review some cars made by Zuobola or Zuobola. I'm not sure, I may be butchering that name, but that's the brand who makes these cars. And these are going to be RC cars. So a little bit outside my regular automotive niche, but it does have to do with cars. So let's do the unboxing and then we'll get into more of what these cars can do and how fun they can be to play with. This one's a GT Fearless Legend. It's also got the anti-slip tires, which means it's probably that soft but kind of rigid rubber, which makes it great for getting traction. Rechargeable batteries, and this one also runs on 2.4 gigahertz. This one's for ages 8+, so is the other one. So let's see what specialty is on this car. Here's your instructions. Shows you where the battery locations are and the voltage, which is nice. It shows you the operation of the controller. Has more instructions on the controller. So always be careful when you're pulling cardboard and packing away from your toy, because you can break it. Yeah, these are just a little bit softer than the monster truck. This has a little engine. Looks like the fan runs when it's running. That's pretty cool. Your battery door is in the bottom, and this is your off and on switch. And this right here is going to be your trim. Which what the trim's for is, if you've ever worked with remote control cars, when you're running them at high speeds, it's just like an alignment on a car. It kind of centers it when you're using the remote. If it's off a little bit, the car's always going to drift to the left or the right. So you can adjust this so that you don't have to constantly fight it with the remote. But it's something you just got to play with. It all depends on the terrain you're on. Your road, if your road has an angle to it or whatever, you may have to adjust it for that particular condition. Everybody ought to have a MacGyver knife. Look down inside the little box here because the screwdriver was in there. Same again, the battery door on the bottom takes a screw. This is all in all a really simple setup. I like it. It's not difficult to get going with. This one takes 3 AA's. Let's load this thing up with some AA batteries. Has an on and off switch right here. This, of course, is going to be the speed. This is what's going to steer it. Let's check out the battery on this guy. The battery comes in a little box right here. This comes with a USB cable to charge it. You can either plug into a computer or an AC adapter on the wall. It gives you an extra battery. So, and the connector is designed to where it can only go in one way. After you hook up the battery, you want to turn the cable the longest point and just get it to sit in there about halfway through. Otherwise the door won't shut very well. Screw down. We're going to turn this baby on. That's pretty cool. Look at that motor. So you squeeze the trigger forward, push it, go back. Now we're going to take these remote control cars out and test them out and see how they really do.
You're being so mean.
You're still recording.
What do you mean? I have excellent driving skills.
So I hope you like this review on these little remote control cars. For the money, these are pretty awesome. I've seen $100 to $150 remote control cars that are not any better than these are, and for the price that these are, it's awesome. I like the little engine on this little car, and this truck, how it you can back it up and forward it to get it into 360 mode. That's pretty awesome. Any kid's gonna love to play with these things. So if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and like I said, always check back because I'm always doing something crazy. See you in the next one.